Good morning, everybody. Sorry, we're sitting here killing ourselves laughing because we couldn't figure out the camera, or I couldn't figure out the camera. And there's Andrea. Look.
Hi, everyone.
Look at your sassy hair.
So Thanks, Sharon, for the sassy hair.
That's Sharon. Sharon, thank you for Sharon. Simply Blossoming. So welcome everybody. It's Laurel and Andrea for Simply Blossoming. Sorry we're late. We got sidetracked by lots of conversation, as we always do. Right, Andrea?
Always. That's
always
easy to do.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And so we're coming live from my home today. So I had to run around and clean everything up before Andrea got here. Wink, wink. So today we're talking with Andrea, and I'm going to flip the camera around, about her workshop. And Andrea, I'm just recalling now how beautiful the scene was the last time we did our Facebook Live on the dock.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
And it was August, I believe, and it was beautiful weather, and the mist was rising off the water.
Oh my gosh, that was beautiful.
I know. Yeah. I don't feel the same today. We were going to try an outdoor one, but you know, no.
It's a little windy out there by the lake here.
And a little chilly.
A little chilly.
A little chilly. So, Andrea, tell us this year what's happening with your artistic endeavor at Simply Blossoming. What's happening with your workshop
so last year I did sort of a collage of expressing yourself, and this year, with the theme being love, we're going to explore love through creativity. And one of the great things about being creative is it does help you express emotions and feelings, and so we're going to use creativity to express self-love and love for others, and just have a fun time with using different materials. And I'm also tying it to nature this year. It would be awesome if we could have the same weather as last fall, so we could go out.
Fairies, get ready.
And go out and do a meditation with nature and collect some twigs and some leaves and put that into the artwork. We'll see how that goes. And if it is the opposite, I will, prior to going up, I'll collect some stuff and have that at your disposal to add to your artwork. And what would be great if we could use nature, if we could go out and use nature. That helps us. You can use that energy of nature and connect to its source of love and its source of energy, and apply that to the creativity.
Maybe we could go out au naturel. oh, that's a whole other workshop. Woo! Painting with our bodies.
Do skinny dipping and
Oh, that would be exciting. I think Andrea's face just went a little blushed. I'm just teasing. So everybody, get your tickets. It's October 19th to the 21st. Early bird ends May 31st.
End of May,
midnight. I think Kathy set the thing up for midnight. So get your tickets and come and visit Andrea and do a little art.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Do a little art in the woods. Okay, take care, Blossoms. We'll talk to everybody soon. Bye.